Good morning students, I am S.K. Tiwari from Kendriya Vidyalaya Misra. I am going to teach you class 10th mathematics of chapter pairs of linear equations in two variables continued part 3. Let us start the chapter. Students, in this session we will take some examples for the linear equations in two variables. You take one example. Romila went to a stationery shop and purchased 2 pencils and 3 erasers for ₹9. Her friend Sonali saw the new variety of pencils and erasers with Romila, and she also bought 4 pencils and 6 erasers of the same kind for ₹18. Represent this situation algebraically and as well as graphically. That means you have to find its solution through the algebraically and the graphically both. For the solutions, let us denote the cost of one pencil by ₹x and one eraser by ₹y. Then the algebraic representation is given by the following equations, that is 2x plus 3y is equal to 9 and 4x plus 6y is equal to 18. To obtain the equivalent geometric representation, we find 2 points on the line representing each equation, that is, we find two solutions of each equation. These solutions are given below in table 3.2. So, the first table you can see if x is equal to 0, y can be obtained 3, and x is equal to 4.5, y can be obtained 0. In second table you can see x is equal to 0 on such conditions y is equal to 3, and x is equal to 3, y is equal to 1. So by seeing these two, you can plot the graph and you see that for x plus 6y is equal to 18 as well as 2x plus 3y is equal to 9, both the graphs have been drawn and both the lines are coincide to each other. This is so because both the equations are equivalent, that is, one can be derived from the other. You can take another example. Two rails are represented by the equations x plus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0 and 2x plus 4y minus 12 is equal to 0. Represent this situation geometrically. Two solutions of each of the equations x plus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0, 2x plus 4y minus 12 is equal to 0 are given in table 3.3. In the table, for the first equation x is equal to 0, y can be obtained as 2, and if we take x is equal to 4, y is equal to 0. For the second table, x is equal to 0, y is equal to 3, and x is equal to 6, y can be obtained as 0. To represent the equations graphically, we plot the points 0, 2, and it may be as written as R, and point S which is located at 40 to get the line RS, and the points P03 and Q60 to get the line PQ. To observe in figure 3.4 that the lines do not intersect anywhere, that is, they are parallel. So you can see that the two equations have been drawn through the graph, and 2x plus 4y minus 12 is equal to 0 as well as x plus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. These are parallel to each other. So we have seen several situations which can be represented by a pair of linear equations. We have seen their algebraic and symmetrical representations. In the next few sections, we will discuss how these representations can be used to look for situations of the pair of linear equations. So students, watch this video, and after watching this video, if any kind of the difficulties and doubts will be there, you share your ideas and difficulties, I will clarify. In spite of all those students, you solve the example, the questions which is given in the exercises 3.1, and by solving these questions you are feeling any kind of the difficulties, I will clarify it, share your ideas and views, that all will be sought out and clarified. Thank you.